Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create React application from an HTML template. As you can see, I have already opened an HTML bootstrap template that is fully functional. Today, we will convert this template into React application. So we have starting our React application. You can see here our menu is already working. This is our one page application. So we can convert this application into our React application. I have already downloaded the HTML template. If you are want to download, you download from any other website from Google. If you are new to this channel, please consider the subscriber for more content. So let's get started with creating React application. First, create a folder. That's the name of React website. So open this terminal for the using Visual Code Studio. So this is my code editor. So I open the Visual Code Studio. Open the terminal for the creating a new React application and run the command npx create React app, and our React app name. So I have starting React website. Replace React website with your desired app name. Press the enter. It take a couple of minutes to install the React applications. If you need to help with React setup and project structure, check out our previous video and this topic. So our React application is successfully installed and you will find the application files and folders here. So we go to our React application folder by using the command cd. So you can see here our files here. So simply we run our project using the command npm start. So our default application will run on localhost 3000 port. So as a 3000 port, you know, is our default port. So here is our default application run successfully. Now go back to our code. So we just open our HTML template. You just copy our all the assets in from our HTML template. Simply just copy our HTML template and paste. So we need to go to our asset folder. Copy the asset folder from HTML template and paste into public folder of the React application. Simply. So paste here. Now we go to our application. You can see here asset folder are come in under the public folder. So go to the source folder. We, we need to create here our uh, components for home page. So we create a new folder by the name is pages to store our. Now creating a home.js file in page under the pages folder. So import a React function component. Remember to use Pascal case of component name. So the component name should be home H capital for a home page. So the first letter always be capital for our React function component. So go to app.js, simply remove the default code and implementing our home page here. So the imported from pages home here. So go back to our home component. Simply we need to go our HTML template. So here is our HTML template, and open our HTML template into our code editor, and open our HTML template. So go to index file. So we need to copy our sections. So if you enclose our section, so this is easy way to copy our section from section wise, one by one. So we are simply first we need to copy our header section. So simply just copy and paste here. So we have some syntax errors. Be mind of syntax difference between regular HTML and React.js, just as needed to remove any errors. If we have here comment error, so we just remove the error, and we need to start and close empty tag because we need multiple parents here. So we have starting and closing with empty tag. So simply copy, and you can see here the result of our header is important here. So we need to go back our project, just copy our next section is our hero section. So simply copy and go to our project and paste here. So type the comment for next. So we will create our here's comment. In our next video we will also creating this application is a step by step, and just like a header function component is separately, footer function component is separately, and make it header and footer dynamically. How it's work we will creating in upcoming our lectures. So here's we are simply convert our HTML into React application. Just copy and paste here. Type the comment main our section. So simply paste our section. So removing our errors, closing our tags errors also, because React is using syntax different. So every tag need to be closed. So we are closing fix need to fixing our closing errors and need to fixing our commenting errors. So we just simply fix and closing our comment errors. So removing all the errors. So our all the errors removed successfully. So here's our content here. Another here is another error of, oh yes, because uh, React is inline style tag is using are differently than compared to our normal React HTML styling. So we need to find our style tag, style attribute, sorry, style attribute. So here's our style attribute. So we are simply using removing our code and implementing a double curly brackets. Inline styling of React is always using a camel case of attributes, so we need to write background image something like this and save it. Find another, oh yes, another style. Just removing our double quotes of outer and closing our double curly brackets. So removing semicolons, we're using a comma for separating our code, and also we need to a single quote in our units. So simply the values of properties CSS is simply, and other error is URL is not defined. Oh yes, we need to URL in quotes and you removing in quotes, we need to outside of the double quotes in URL attribute. So the here's simply double quotes of outside and removing inside from our values. So simply save it. So now we don't have any errors. Yes, we don't have any errors. Our whole the HTML is imported here without styling. So we need to style our HTML. So go back to our project, index in under the public folder index HTML. So we need to go to our template. Simply go to our template index folder. So we'll go up, scroll up. Yeah. So we need to copy our all the stylings. Here is imported in the above section of our HTML index HTML file. So we simply just copy all the assets files we have using in before. So paste here. Here just need to remove. We need to remove the document. So we don't need. So just copy, paste, save it. Go back to our output. Yes, we are almost our alignment and scrolling is functional, but we need to our styles. So we need to import our JavaScript libraries and files. So we need to go back to our project. So here, go back to our template. So just copy our this whole the libraries and files from here and paste in our public index HTML of our React project. So the uh, after the body, you simply paste, save it, and see the magic. Our project is successfully converted into React application. Thanks you for watching our video. If you find it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.